Hello, how are you? And welcome back to my YouTube channel Course by Sid. So today in this video we're going to see the HTML comments, right? So there are two types of HTML comment. First one is your single line HTML comment, right? And the next one is your multi-line HTML comments, right? Now I'll save this file and now I'll come back to my browser. So you can see at the starting of the body there is one single line HTML comment and one multi-line HTML comment text is here. But what we'll need to do is we want to hide this comment, right, so that it will not going to display on our UI. So what we're going to do, we'll first open our Angular bracket and then we'll type exclamation mark and then double hyphen, and then we'll simply going to cut this line and we're going to paste this in between these Angular brackets, right? And now we're going to save this file, right? So now you can see that single line HTML comment is not showing, right? Because we have commented out in our file in this way. Now suppose if I'll talk about multi-line HTML comments, so now I can say that one more line is there, right? Now I'll refresh and now I'll come back to my browser. So now you can see that multi-line HTML comments and one more line is there, right? It is showing over here. Now if suppose I need to hide this both the lines, right? So what we're going to do, we'll going to open our Angular brackets, right? And then we're going to write exclamation mark and then double hyphens, right? And then wherever we want to comment, after that we'll write hyphen and then we'll press closing of the Angular bracket, right? So now you can see that it is not showing on a UI. So in this way you can comment out multi-line of the HTML, right? So this is our multi-line HTML comments. Now suppose if there is one heading, right, and there is one paragraph and then there is another paragraph, right? And then let's say here is the text 1 2 3 4 5, here is the text ABC, right? Just a second, ABC, and here's the text XYZ, right? So you can see that it is showing on the UI. And now there is another way, a shortcut way to make an HTML comment, right? So you just need to select this and then from your keyboard you need to press Ctrl and then the /. Okay, so I'm just writing it here also, Ctrl plus this /, right? So by doing this you can also make an HTML comment. So okay, and you can see on your UI also, so it is not visible, right? So thank you, that's all for this video. I'll hope to meet you soon in the next video with some new topic. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, so I'll request you to kindly please subscribe it so that you can get the latest update from this channel. So okay, thank you, that's all for this video.